fuck wrong with your ass, boy? For real this time. Check this shit. Been working on this shit for 3 years.
What the hell? You're not talking about the abs, right? You're talking about the happy trail.
Okay, no, for real.
You're lifting your shit up. There's nothing to that.
Talking about my abs, I've been working on this shit for 3 years. I'll tell you the 3 things I do. I do push-ups, I do sit-ups, and I have sex. Those are the 3 things I do.
And where are the abs?
And the abs are here. You see them?
No.
Zoom the camera.
I just see hair.
Yeah, I mean, like, obviously under the hair, there's abs.
I just see hair.
I'm just telling you the 3 things that it takes, so. Peace out. That's it. That's my tips, and that's the only tips I'm giving out.
Just want to come on the screen right now. I will watch it.
You're gonna have to put this diaper on, okay? I took a fat shit in one of those diapers just to test them out, and it's fire.
That's sure. But I think I could take a shit and pee myself. I don't think I need this.
No, we don't need it, but we want you to put it on. I know. Listen,
Right, I know you're
we
upset.
know you don't need it.
Dude, it's not a big deal. I hooked up your mom one time. It's not that big of a deal. It's not that big. We were cool after that. I hooked up your mom one time.
And I might have to have a diaper on for the rest of your life.
You don't have to keep bringing it up.
Fits like a glove.
Tell me you all saw the video of that rapper talking about D Wade's son.
Don't cut his dick off, bro.
D Wade never said I'm gonna do that. He just.
For real. If you're gonna be gay, let him be gay. But don't cut his dick off.
Have you seen El Camino yet, you fucking slut?
Is your ID?
Didn't think twice about using it. Didn't even think twice about it.
Let's see if it works.
You were sucking your thumb.
It's a
falling
fact.
asleep 30 minutes
I'm gonna
in.
tell you, there's no way.
Yeah, it didn't work.
You got denied?
Yeah.
Whose ID did you use?
Barron's.
Why did he try? You hold this?
When you
Yeah,
guessed
do
your
it.
birthday?
What am I about? Oh, I'm sick of Baron shit. I'm done with Baron.
Bill's officially 30 years old. Bill's officially. God.
I see that. Why I'm done with Baron shit? And now.
Bill, that's our beer. That's our beer. Bill, that's part of your beer.
Where is it? Right there.
Chill your ass. Chill. You're chilling if you won't get up in my shit.
Oh, really?
Yo, you better don't touch me. Don't touch me, nigga. She would beat the fuck out of you. No, touch me.
I'm already touching you.
Touch me, for real.
What are you gonna do about it? I'm gonna cough on you. I'm gonna give you corona.
Shit, you strong as hell for
I know.
real.
I know, but I was drinking beer. What's up,
Yo,
Siv?
Siv.
Oh, shit.
Andy, touch me. Haley Joe.
Hold on. Oh. We had to literally get a screwdriver.
Pick it out.
Dude, she's gotta stop it.
No, you can't
It's gonna
break
go
her.
again.
Are
It's
you gonna
gonna
buy
go.
a new one?
Yeah.
Because Lisa will realize.
If it goes off one more time, give me it. Spike.
Oh,
Oh my
Done,
god.
Yes. So, put that thing out of commission.
The times that we've loved and we've shared.
we're gonna let Billy watch 2 Girls, 1 Cup and see how long it takes him to throw up.
Like seconds of it.
Not that bad. How are you trying to? What's hype? Hype says that. One person's shitting into another person's mouth. Bro, but anybody, dude, I'm gonna throw up everywhere.
Ty.
How am I supposed to react to this? If you watch a video of an Asian girl throwing up and shitting in another girl's mouth, one guy might throw up. That's insane. Because I'm wild for this video. I'm the craziest guy ever. That might happen.
Billy, you're on edge.
Billy, watch it. Watch. Pull your head up.
I can't watch it.
Bill, try to watch it. Please, dude.
Hey, don't watch the fucking show. It's now. Oh my
Anybody else gonna throw up? Bill, what'd you think of the video?
You can't be showing me that. You know what I'm gonna get. Like,
I-
no
Are
idea.
you okay, Billy?
He's just crying.
He's fine. Like, this is. Use my friends, so-called friends. My friends. Apparently, my good friends want me to watch another girl shit in their mouth for their entertainment. Let me know if you want to see it to Rita's house, you have to watch another girl shit in another girl's mouth.
Billy, it's funny.
These are my friends.
Well, you didn't watch it, so get the fuck out.
That's true. Why? Why can't Billy just have fun with his friends and just do normal things?
Never have I ever wanted to have sex with someone here.
Oh my god, I'm drinking.
I'm already hard. Little bit of blood rushing to the ween.
Jesse Ross is lying to himself.
About what?
Because he has feelings, I'm not going to say the name, for a female that we are friends with.
That's not true.
Listen, I'm not gonna say the name because I'm not trying to.
Who, Kayla? I do
No,
have
no.
feelings for Kayla.
Maybe
I
you
like
do.
you, Kayla.
I'm saying